Maraming salamat po, mahal ko.
Ay! That's so sweet. I have something for you. Okay, it's a surprise. It's a surprise. It will be lighting your day today.
Right in my face today.
Here you go. Good morning. Oh, you... I told you, I have something for you, diba?
Yeah, you got me wrong.
Take this, you have water there, and your... Okay, my darling?
My cup of coffee.
Okay, after. Na siya nagising, nanood kasi siya ng football kagabi. Umaga na siya nakatulog ulit. Nadali ko daw siya. Nagawa ako ng makakain ni Babe. Ayan ang bread niya Ayan, sa ganitong luto ang gusto niya. And this is his lunch. Brown bread, 2 eggs, gitong egg yolk ang gusto niya, and ayan, ham. And of course, the unsalted butter. Babe! You need to eat. There you go, my love.
Thank you, my darling.
What did you say?
Maraming salamat po, mahal ko.
Ay! That's so sweet. You sound sweet, babe, when you speak Tagalog. Because you use po. Maraming salamat po. You use po. You use the word po. It sounds sweet. You like eggs like that? Okay. So, ganitong eggs daw ang gusto niya. Let me do the butter for you, okay? This time, I put too much butter, okay?
20 ml.
Full up? Oh, simot sarap siya, oh. May natira pa, sinusubukan ni Babe na kunin kaso hindi makuha-kuha ng kanyang tinidor. Ayan, oh, sinusubukan niya kunin. Let me help you. Open your mouth, babe. O, diba? Diba? Naubos niya. Sarapan siya. Masarap, babe? Good. Oh, masarapan siya. Naubos. Kapag ganun kasi, maliliit lang na ilagay sa plato niya, nauubos niya. Pero pag madami, hindi yan kaya ubusin. Saka sila kasi ng mga ibang lahi. Okay. Sila kasi ng mga ibang lahi. Hindi sila kagaya sa atin na ang plato natin punuan. Sa kanila, small portion lang. Okay na sa kanila yun.